this video I'm going to show you how you can change Uber Eats car to bike. So what we want to do is just close the Uber Eats app, and instead we're going to open up our web browser. Here, just Google search for change Uber Eats delivery vehicle, and we want to click on this article that says change delivery method. So click on it, and what we want to do is just scroll down here. You might be required to log in with your account. Actually, you will be required to log in with your account. And we'll see some different options here if we want to change our delivery mode. So for this, we are changing from car to bicycle. So we're just going to toggle the option for bicycle here. And we can type the maker, model, and year of our bicycle and add bicycles after the maker, model, and year. And again, we will need to input our license plate and input bicycles for bicycle. And we can also attach a photo of our license plate by clicking on the little camera icon. And the last thing is that, and the last step that we have to take is we have to type I agree here in the screen, click on submit, and that's how you change from car to bike on Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.